Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to check out the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. This phone is gorgeous, as you can see it here, man. It looks like an iPhone down on the side. It's a nice looking phone, as you can see it here. Beautiful, good looking phone. And this is the back. So this is the S21 Plus. Alright, so this device is installed, is available on display at Best Buy. So I came to Best Buy just to take a look at it, just to show you what this phone looks like. And it is amazing, good looking phone, guys. So don't miss out. You should be ordering this phone, and it's supposed to be iPhone, the same as Galaxy S24 Ultra. When you click on AI, this is what comes up, and from here you can, what to do here, let's see. You see tons of animation like AI things, so I need to go in depth to find out what the AI phone is really. I don't own it yet, but I ordered one and it's coming up. It's pre-ordered. Mine is pre-ordered, so it's gonna take a while for me to get that device. But anyway, just wanted to show you what this one looks like. So if you want to see it, if you want to see the device, you can head over to your local Best Buy. It is all on display. So they have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, S21 Ultra, and also they have the regular S21, and it is all on display at Best Buy. So go ahead and check it out. This is a gorgeous look. Okay, guys. So this is it, guys. It was a short video. I just wanted to show you what the Samsung Galaxy S24 looks like, and this is the S24 Plus. So thanks so much, guys, and I see you next time. Bye bye.